The sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise.
Hey, Shit's Army!
Hey, Mandi maniacs!
So today we'll be trying Jelly Belly lollipops. Found them at Home Goods.
I've never seen anything like that before, so that's new.
There's grape, berry cherry, berry blue, green apple, tangerine, and bubblegum.
Sounds kind of cool.
What are you going for? I'm in between green apple and berry blue.
I'm going berry blue.
Yeah, I'll go berry blue too.
Seems the least rude. What are the flavors again?
Green apple. Actually, I'm going green apple because you're going to try berry blue. I'll try green apple.
Okay.
I like sour things. So.
Does not want to open, you guys. Cute. They're like a jelly bean shape. I chose berry blue because my shirt, you know, it's like an aesthetic moment. For sure. So there she is. It looks just like a jelly bean shape. Super shiny. Oh, and it does say, I believe it says Jelly Belly on it. So that's super cool.
Bean boozled.
No. Oh. That's good. What are your thoughts?
Not good.
Sounds weird. When you try it on the tip of your tongue and a little further back, you get like a different flavor profile.
Weird.
Berry blue's good.
Green apple's not.
Maybe set it aside and try berry blue. See if you concur.
We're going to try berry blue.
You need some help?
Yeah. How do you do that without breaking it? That one's good.
Told you. The blue one is delicious. I went with blue because it matched my blue shirt, you guys, right?
Blue is my favorite color.
Red is my favorite color.
But you don't like cherry?
Nope. I love cinnamon though. That's one of my favorite flavors. It's probably number 2. We all know what my first flavor is.
Pumpkin spice!
So why wouldn't I love cinnamon? Similarities, right?
I like cinnamon. It has that cozy. You can go for Christmas or fall.
It's true. I love cinnamon bears. Those are those like, they're a
Spicy
gummy.
bears.
Yeah, they're like a spicy gummy. They're so good. They bring the cinnamon. I hope that was the lollipop and not my tooth. When you chew it, in a weird way, you'd think you get more of a flavor. You get less of a flavor and more of a just general sugar. You guys, I bet this colors your tongue.
Yep.
Beautiful
Beautiful blue food dye.
Blue 1.
Blue 2.
Very special.
Red 3. Yellow 5. Yellow 6. You managed to get all the bad food dyes not.
When you chew it, really gets up in your teeth too. See? Blue. So there you guys have it. Would you recommend?
Mm-hmm.
So you wouldn't recommend the green, but you'd recommend the blue?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I wouldn't try the orange, grape, or cherry.
So, that's what we thought. Remember to like and follow or subscribe. Go shoot the army. Bye.
Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter.